Good morning everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is today's maths worksheet. Let us begin.
And I am cutie pie. Let's just get started.
Okay. See, dash plus 2 is 8. What plus 2 is 8?
6.
Yes, let's write 6. Now what is the next one? 8 plus 1 equals here. What is
9.
it? 9. Okay, then 1 plus 6 equals here.
7.
7. Good job. 9 plus 1 equal to
10.
10. Okay, now 2 plus dash is equal to 4.
2.
2. Then 3 plus dash is equal to 4.
1.
1. 2 plus 3 equal to
5.
5. Then what is this? 1 plus dash is equal to 6.
5.
5. Okay. Now what is remaining? 1 plus dash is equal to 4.
3.
3. And dash plus 4 is equal to 8.
4.
4 plus 4 is 8. Good job. Now let's do this quickly. Count and write the number of objects. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. Good job. Next.
This one, chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken like, I got chicken lollipop. See, chicken lollipop.
Yes. Okay, do it.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
There are 11.
7, 8, 9, 10,
11. I was right.
Yeah, the last one. Cheese slices?
Pizza.
It's pizza slice? Okay.
Because this brown thing is the crust and this is the pepperoni stuff and stuff.
Okay, do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 16, 13, 14, 15. No, I was wrong.
15.
I'm wrong.
Okay. Write 15 over there.
You can look at the camera. I'll be able to see clearly.
Okay. Come.
Okay, fine.
Draw a line to match each animal to its baby. Hen is chick.
I know. I first let's start with a horse.
Okay, horse is
Foal.
foal. Okay.
Sorry, horse, but you have to run all the way over here.
Sheep.
Sheep. Where's the sheep?
Yeah.
Sheep and lamb.
Goat.
Goat and calf. No.
Dog and
Dog.
puppy.
I already know that.
Cow and calf.
Cow and calf.
What is
And
remaining?
goat and kid. What?
Let's check. See, ship. When you change the I to O, it became shop. And when you change the P to E, it became shoe. Similarly, car will become cat by changing which letter?
This R.
R. So let's write C-A-T, cat. C-A-T.
Cat.
Cat. Now this is cat becomes hat by changing which letter?
C.
Yes. What will you write in place of C? H. A.
P.
Good job. Now this is a mouse. Mouse will become house
Mouse
when you change
letter
letter. Letter M will become which letter?
H.
H. Okay.
O.
O.
5-letter word.
U.
U.
S.
S.
E.
E.
Last one. House will become horse when you change which letter?
S.
No, you need the S for
E.
horse. You don't need the U. The U will become R. Horse. H.
H.
E.
E.
Horse.
Oh.
You learned the spellings?
Hmm.
Okay, that's it. Bye bye.